Shoulder internal rotation, PAILs and rails. So for this one, this is just a pillow, so you could use anything for your head here. Make sure that your hips and shoulders are stacked one on top of the other. Your bottom arm stretches out straight from your shoulder and then moves down just very slightly. You're going to bend your elbow to 90 degrees and then bring it in so that the fingertips touch the waistband of your pants. Please make sure that the hand does not skate away from your body. You want to keep that 90-degree elbow bend. Keep the shoulder blade also sucked back into the rib cage so that it's not kind of out and flying around there. And then you're going to hold this stretch pushing down with your top hand for about a minute. To do a PAILs contraction here, you're going to start to ramp up pressure. So squeeze your fists, generate tension throughout the rest of your body, and then start to ramp up max effort pressure, pushing your bottom hand up into your top hand. Hold for 10 seconds, and then gradually ramp it down. For rails, you're going to use your own muscles to try to pull your hand down towards the ground. If you want, you can leave your hand here and try to pull away from your hand, or you can take the hand away, and then you're going to relax that. See if you can get a little bit more range, and then hold this deeper stretch for another minute. If you're just doing this as a mobility superset, you're going to get into the position, get comfortable for about 10 seconds, and then do the PAILs contraction, which is pushing the bottom arm up into the top arm. Again, it's contracting the lengthened tissues or resisting the stretch. Hold for about 10 seconds, pop on out of that, and then if you want, you can do a couple of shoulder capsulars just to kind of get that shoulder fresh and ready to go.